guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sakshi. You're watching Sakshi Styles, and in today's video, according to the title, you already know that I am going to show you what I purchased from Sarojini Nagar because you guys wanted to see it. So here I am with this video, and अगर आप नए हैं मेरे चैनल पे, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Also, I upload every Wednesday a new video, so don't forget to turn your notifications bells on. You can also follow me on my Insta handle. With this, let's get started. Starting with my first category, that is tops. So this was my first purchase. This was a mesh top, as you can see. I have seen many mesh tops in Sarojini Nagar, but I have never found the one which I liked because there were basic meshes which have some flower prints on it, and I don't like that. This was something different which I found this time. I was in love with this mesh top. I mean, I can wear it with any shorts and sneakers and it will be good party look. So in my bottom category, this was the first trouser pants which I purchased. It's a long palazzo cut pants in a very beautiful that bark of a tree color. I don't know, it's that pure brown or a vintage brown, but I love this. So this is so beautiful, and the material is polyester. Not pure polyester, polyester blend. It has something else including polyester. So yeah, it fitted me perfectly. This is my trouser number 2. It's in beautiful light beige color. Yeah, light beige color, and it has this button closure and a zip, and it's very beautiful. It don't have any pockets, but yeah, for the price I paid for it, I guess it's enough for me, and I'm loving it. It's the most fitted trouser which I got from among all the trousers. Just ignore my face. I'm sweating like a pig, and just ignore it, okay? The third trouser which I purchased is this one. This is little bit wide open. It's like proper palazzo cut. I mean, the brown was also palazzo cut, but it was more like a straight fit kind, and this was ekdam pure wala palazzo cut, and it has also this button closure with zip, no pockets, and it is altered because if you remember लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने आपको दिखाई थी एक भैया जो 159A शॉप के बाहर बैठते हैं, तो उन्होंने उसी टाइम ऑल्टर भी करवा के हेल्प कर दी मेरी. सही है. आपको कहा था ना, अगर आप उसमें अच्छे से ढूंढोगे तो आपको 1-2 पीसेस अच्छे मिल जाएंगे, तो मुझे भी मिल गए, एंड आई होप नेक्स्ट टाइम जब आप विजिट करो तो आपको भी मिल जाए. द रीज़न वाई आई गॉट देयर ऑल्टर बिकॉज मेरे आसपास कोई भी ऐसी जगह नहीं है जहाँ मैं ऑल्टर करवा सकूँ, एंड इफ़ करवाऊँ भी तो दे टेक अराउंड $50, विच इज़ अ लॉट फॉर ऑल्टरिंग सम पैंट्स, एंड देयर he took just $20, and also it was so far. He gave me both my pants in 5 to 10 minutes. I think that's a pretty good time. Expect the persons who are sitting in my area. So yeah, it's your choice if you want to get it altered there or not. I have to just save some bucks, so I did. The next is a pair of jeans. This palazzo cut jeans, or you can say I have seen it in the Myntra. It was of $7.59 from the brand called Safaras. I don't know if I am pronouncing that right, but yeah, it was around that on sale, which is a lot, and that was a plain, and it has rugged also. I mean, it fits me so perfectly, so it looks so beautiful on me, and the color is pure, the perfect color which I wanted for me, and yeah, I was very happy for the price I paid to it. I love the fabric. It's a very good quality. It's cotton, pure cotton, and I am loving the fabric. Also, I have washed all my clothes before showing it to you, before wearing it, so don't worry, and you have to do it too to be safe on that side. So the item from my bottoms wear collection is one this short. This is little tight to me, so I'm going to wear it for the gym. The material is cotton, and yeah, it was just for the price is mentioned on the screen. I am a big fan of shorts from Sarojini Nagar. Like from past 2 to 3 years, I'm always purchasing these kind of shorts which I can wear on my daily purpose. So I know the quality. My last shorts was with me for around a year, and then it ripped off for whatever reasons. But yeah, they stays for long if you have the right knowledge of quality, and the material is good and going to last you for a long time. The second short is that this one. This is my favorite. You can see the work done on it. I also don't like this nada thing, so I'm going to remove it because it already has elastic in it, and I'm going to style it in many ways. I have many ideas in my head going on. You will be thinking, girl, you have to only bottom wear. No, I have choose some dresses and footwears too. But yeah, this is my last item from a bottoms wear collection. This is this skirt, beautiful skirt. It's a skirt which girls wear on school. It's kind of uniform skirt, and I always wanted one check uniform skirt because the one I had was from the class 4th, and it is very short that I can't wear it anymore. Purchase this. This is a bit long. I wanted it in short. If you watch Friends, you have known Rachel Green's wearing some kind of check skater skirts, and I am loved that. So I'm in search of those kinds of skirts. But yeah, I want them in little bit a longer size. I am trying to find it in short, but yeah, I'm going to wear it with so many things. I have so many lookbooks I have so many styles to wear it, and yeah, I'm going to use it for sure. It's not going to be waste. And the main reason I didn't thought before buying it was the price I paid for it. So I don't think so. It's not something which I'm not gonna wear. I'm going to wear it for sure.